Welcome to my channel. Today I am dealing with the trigonometrical equations for class 11 from this book. क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन देखिए आप. If B plus C is equal to 3 times A, then prove that cot of B by 2 into cot of C by 2, this will be equal to 2. This is the question. Okay? This question is to be solved. Now, left hand side. कोई भी किसी भी ट्रायंगल में if we are having three sides of ABCD, capital A, this is A, it is B, then this will be B, and it is C, that is C. In this any triangle, we know, हमें पता है कि S क्या होता है? S होता है A plus B plus C by 2. Okay? We are given B plus C is equal to 3A. From here, 2 times S minus A is equal to B plus C. It means B plus C we are given equal to 3 times A. Or we can say 2 times S minus A is equal to 3 times A. It means 2 times S is equal to 4 times A. S is equal to A by 2. This is to be noted. ये हमें काम में लाना पड़ेगा, याद रखना है. Okay जी. Now what we have to do? This should be very much in our memory. Number 1. Now, formula of cot of B and cot of C in terms of S. What you know that cot of B, this can be by B by 2. This can be written in this case. This is angle B. This is angle C and this is angle A. Then cot of A, B by 2 can be written as root of S into S minus B upon S minus A into S minus C. This is the formula of cot of B in terms of S. इसीलिए that is why we have used this S. Fine, हमने S इसलिए किया. We can write the formula for cos of B by 2, cot of B by 2, cot of C by 2 and etc. in terms of S. Okay? This is the formula of cot of B by 2. अब B by 2 की वैल्यूज निकाल सकते हैं in terms of A by substituting S is equal to A by 2. This can be written as, चलो अभी ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं. ओके चलो. सेम in the case of cot of C by 2. Cot of C by 2, this can be written as, इसको लिख सकते हैं, क्या लिख सकते हैं? S into S minus C upon S minus A into S minus B. ये फॉर्मूला आपको आना चाहिए. This should be always in your memory. ये अगर ये नहीं आएगा then you can't do. नहीं कर सकते. C by 2. ठीक है? Now we have to multiply this. Left hand side should be proved equal to 2. If we multiply this 1 and 2, 1 and 2. If we multiply then cot of B by 2 into cot of C by 2. This will be equal to, multiply this by this, root of, sorry, cot of B by 2 in terms of S we can write s into s minus b upon s minus a into s minus c into cot of c by under root s into s minus c upon s minus a into s minus b. This is the formula. Okay. It means this is left hand side of our problem. Now left hand side will be equal to here. Left hand side, this will be equal to s into s, single s. रूट के अंदर है, स्क्वायर होएगा रूट के अंदर सिंगल s. s minus c under root this portion get cancelled with this, and this portion will get cancelled with this. Okay, this will cancel with this, this will cancel with this. Okay, then under root upon under root s minus a into s minus b, s minus a square, sorry. Okay, this is also s minus a and s minus a. It means अंडर रूट के अंदर बचता है s स्क्वायर अपॉन s माइनस a स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू s अपॉन s माइनस a. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव इट इज इक्वल टू 2. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ s इन टर्म्स ऑफ a, ये निकाल रखा है. ओके, व्हाट विल गेट? s इज इक्वल टू a by 2 upon a by 2 minus a. a by 2 minus a. ठीक है? Okay. It means it is equal to a can be taken as a common 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. That is equal to sorry, here something happened wrong here. S will be equal to 2 times a, not a by 2. Very sorry. This will be 2 times a. S will be equal to 2 times a. I am putting this value again, huh? It was wrong. S square can be written as under root 2 times a square upon 2a minus a, it is a square. A square get cancelled. Root of 2 square, it is 2. Proved. Okay. Here by mistake I have written s is equal to a by 2. Then this is a by 2 will get s is equal to 2a. This is proved. Okay. ये NCERT, this is the question as per NCERT syllabus. Okay. एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं NCERT सिलेबस के हिसाब से क्वेश्चन किया क्लास 11 के लिए. ओके, आपको पसंद आया होगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो, एंड इफ यू लाइक इट देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब इट, एंड प्लीज गिव सम कमेंट ऑल्सो. सबको दिखाइए और लोगों को दिखाइए, हमारा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता है. सबको दिखाइए, शेयर कीजिए. ओके, गुड नाइट, गुड लक फॉर यू.